Well, hi everyone. I've got a review this time from Model Ones, and this is such a good little idea. And if you can see at the bottom there, it says bring the salon home. And I thought, what a good idea. And it's in a lovely case. I haven't opened it, so you're going to see what I'm going to see. Lovely little bag. And these are the things inside, so we'll see what they are. So we've got a little file, and looks like 2 gels, and there is the slip solution, so there must be a poly gel. Oh yeah, there's 1 or 2. Oh, look at that. That one is light apricot, and this one, oh, it's a changing colour one. Oh, that's different on that one. And the next one is a pure white on that one. Another one. And this one's a soft pink. What else have we got? Oh, look at that. We've got the nail forms, the poppits as well. I like these sort of poppits because they've got a line on there, so you know what length on each one you're going to do. And what else? So that belongs there, and that's it. What a lovely box. Well, bag should I say. And this, like I say, it's bring the salon home. So it's all polygel. So we've got a base coat, and this must be, yeah, the top coat. Look at those, how posh they are. And what's that say on there? Oh, it's just any problem, contact. Yeah, I just take that off there. Stick it there. And like I say, that is the slip solution. And these, like I say, are the polygels. I will leave a link to their site, as you can go and have a look. But this is ideal for young ones. All you need is you can get a small LED lamp for under a tenner, and there you go, all done. You've got everything you need. You may need a bit of acetone or wipe-off solution, which you can get in any craft place or makeup place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a false nail, and we'll try these. So with these poppits, they are really big, some of them, as you can see, and they've got the nice arch as well. So you would put them that way with the 2 little things that pop out there, and you would put that. So obviously them are going to be too big because I'm going to do it on a false. So let's see if I can find one that will fit this one. Need it just, that's a 5. So that'll be smaller. I don't know. Yeah, I need a 4 if I can find one. No. You can go through these by me. What we got here? 5, 4. That's better. So you've got to go from side to side on your edges, so that when you press it down, and if you can see there, there's, if I can show, when that's on there, you've still got your arch there. So I'll move all these others out the way, and we'll have a go. So I've opted out for a 3 to get it just a little bit over the sides. So we'll get the slip solution, little dip and dish, and it's got a little was it so it's easier to squeeze. So that's that. Right, I think I'm going to try the soft pink, and I've guided that, so we are near the end, aren't we? So I think I'll just cut, nails are a little bit long, so I'll just cut a bit more off there. So if I go from there, it's taking me, then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just on the 5, or just a little bit over that one, or next to the last, whichever. So let's have a look inside here. It has got cover on, which is good. Get rid of that. Okay, so what we need to do now is squeeze it through. Oh, that's a nice pink. Getting it on me as well. Right. I never thought I needed a brush, so got it. I will use this one. Just wet the brush down. There we go. It's nice and soft. Keep pushing it up, obviously you've got to push it up to the sides. Make sure you do. I may not have got enough in there. Just keeping, if it gets sticky, that's when you need to put more solution. I have such trouble with my nails being long. Holding anything. Right, let's see what happens now. So, turn it over, and we're going to place that on and press down, like so. Now, underneath, as you can see, there's some there. Nothing's come out of the sides. I will just see if that will. I don't want to go this long, but may I? Seem to have pushed that up a little bit too far. Anyway, I'm going to cure that now for 60 seconds, and then I'll be back. Then all we need to do now is, it feels hard, so press it. I mean, obviously with it being on a sticker, it's hard for me to get it off. There we go. There we go. And all you've got to do then is do your filing, which with poly gel, as you can see, it's so easy to file. And you've got the lovely shape. I'll just show you that. As you can see, that doesn't need much filing at all. And you've still got your arch as well. Then you just shape it as you need it. File's pretty good as well. Like I say, you take your time, and I can't get quite underneath there. Just going a little bit over there. I mean, obviously that'll be your top of your nail, but there's no problem in that at all. That's come out beautiful. Really nice. Now, when you're doing your own nails, you will need to put a layer of the base coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then obviously, when your nail is finished and you've filed, I mean, really, you may not need to do anything. I mean, if you're going to buff over the top, then I would suggest using a very fine grit. Then I'll cure that again for 60 seconds. So while that's curing, you don't have to use the poppits if you don't want to. It just makes it easier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the colour changing one. And I'm going to actually put that onto the nail. Apricot, yeah, get the apricot one. We'll squeeze that one out. I mean, obviously you will do it if you're doing it this way, you know. Take a bit more time to do it. But that's the colour of those. Then you've got the pink as well, the soft pink. And we have, actually, this is the colour changing. So if I stick my finger on there for a few minutes, it's gone white. Wow. It always amazes me how these things work. So, yeah. And like I say, you get your 4 different colours with your clear. Obviously, you can just do a clear nail if you want to. And you've got your base coat and your top coat. And it's a smashing little kit to start with. So if I go on and check it out. And for you young ones that want to start, I mean, this is how I started. I started with the poppits and progressed from there. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this, and thank Model Ones for sending me these for you to have a look at, and for you young ones to have a try, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye! Just before I do go, I forgot to say, on the back of that little bag are all your instructions. So you don't have to think, what do I do? Because it's all there. And as you can see, now it's all back in the bag. All nice and tidy. So, thought I'd just let you know that I've forgotten that.